Good evening everyone. Welcome to RICKYBABY Travel Vlog and Culinary. Tonight I'm going to bake a chicken breast that I marinated with garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, black pepper, paprika, tablespoon, and a tablespoon of oregano, and sprinkled with salt. So I'm going to bake this into the oven, 375 degrees, and cook for the next 30 minutes. So with this simple recipe, I hope my cholesterol will go down because my cholesterol is high. It's 267. Woo. I'm a walking time bomb, so let's stay away from meat or red meat and go back to chicken. So let's see. Okay, so let's do the oven preheating. There we go. So oven 375. Okay. So once it reaches to 375, let's start the baking. Okay, thank you. We'll come back later. Okay, let's come back to our baked chicken. There we go. Oops. Okay, this is my chicken bake. I cook it at 375 degrees in the oven. After 30 minutes of cooking, 30 minutes of baking, so this is the outcome. Okay, I think I'm ready to eat and try my chicken breast. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching again. This is RICKYBABY Travel Vlog. Have a good night everyone. Dinner time. Bye-bye.